Hello folks, welcome to Sci-Nib channel, week 2. Here I am with the latest news in science for this week. So this week question is, do you know why birds sleep with one leg lifted? Think about it. We will let you know the answer at the end of this video. Let's go to this week updates. Number 1. Is it safe to drink bottled water? According to the most recent research, a liter of bottled water contains 240,000 nanoplastic particles. This current estimate is nearly 100 times higher than the previous studies. Nanoplastics are basically 1 billionth of a meter in size and can pass through our body organs. At the moment, the long-term impact of these nanoplastics on human health is unknown. So next time you drink bottled drinks or use plastic for storage, think twice. Number 2. Does screen time affects toddlers' abilities? According to the recent study, watching television impairs the sensory processing skills of toddlers under the age of 24 months. These children are sensitive to loud noises and bright lights, respond slowly to stimuli, and are uninterested in activities. In general, it is advised that the screen time should be completely avoided for the toddlers under 24 months of age and limited to 1 hour per day for children aged 2 to 5. Number 3. Everyone is aware that wrinkles are a natural part of aging. A recent study, however, discovered that the microbial population on the skin influenced the aging process. For example, we may have encountered young people with older skin, such as wrinkles and lines around the corners of their eyes, called the crow's feet. Scientists discovered that the microbes on the skin aggravate this process, resulting in crow's feet wrinkling and moisture loss on the skin. Number 4. Fruit bats sleep for 20 hours a day and forage for 4 hours. They eat twice as much as sugar as their body weight. However, humans with high sugar diet are prone to obesity and diabetes. The scientist was curious how fruit bats cope with such a high sugar diet. Researchers discovered that these bats have extra cells in their pancreas that secrete insulin to keep the blood sugar level stable. They also have special regulatory genes that help with the active sugar metabolism. Unfortunately, we humans did not adapt those features in our genes, making us susceptible to obesity and diabetes. Number 5. Northern Europe has the highest prevalence of multiple sclerosis in the world. Multiple sclerosis is a neurodegenerative disease in which your body's immune system mistakenly attacks nerve fibers in the brain and spinal cord. Scientists discovered that Europeans inherited multiple sclerosis risk genes from people who migrated from the East 5,000 years ago. These migrant people are mostly herders who have acquired this gene as a defense against livestock diseases. However, in the modern era, it is associated with an increased risk of multiple sclerosis. So, to return to a question for this week. The blood flow in the veins and arteries bring the bird's feet closer to the environmental temperature and thus does not lose heat as they would if they were at body temperature. Thus, standing on one leg allows a bird to halve the amount of heat it loses by tucking the unprotected foot close to its warm body. Flamingos, on the other hand, use this feature to conserve energy used up during the muscle movement. Even though these characteristics are advantageous, not all birds can balance on one leg. Keep, keep an eye out next time for herons, ducks, geese, hawks and gulls to see if they have a missing leg. Hope our video helped you to gain some knowledge on the latest update in science. Please subscribe to the channel to get more updates. See you folks next week. Until then, bye. Take care.